What if I told you the smartphone is quietly being replaced right now? And most people have no idea it is already happening. Today, I'm ranking the 5 smart glasses in 2026 that actually replace your phone. From pretty cool to, okay, I need this. Stick around for number 1 because it genuinely changed my mind. Let's get into it. Number 5, the budget entry one. Vuzix. These are your lightweight notification glasses. No big flashy screen, just a tiny display that shows your text, your directions, your calendar right in the corner of your vision. The magic? You stop pulling your phone out every 2 minutes. It is the cheapest way to feel the future on your face. The catch: it's notification only, so it's a taste, not a full meal. Number 4, even Reality's G2, ones that look like normal glasses. That's the whole point. From the outside, nobody can tell, but you are getting turn-by-turn navigation, live translation, and an AI assist, all in a clean little display. Only you can see. If you would never wear obvious stack on your face, these are the pair that finally fit into real life. Number 3, these don't replace your phone, they replace your TV. XREAL One Pro. Put them on and you've got a massive 200-inch virtual screen floating in front of you. Movies on a flight, gaming on the couch, 3 monitors worth of work in a coffee shop. The trade-off: they are built for watching, not walking around. But for what they do, nothing else comes close. Number 2, RayNeo X3 Pro. This is where it stops being a gadget and starts being a sci-fi device. Full color AR display, built-in AI, real-time translation floating over the person you are talking to, navigation painted onto the street in front of you. This is the closest thing yet to having a computer living on your face. The only reason it's not number 1 is still early and you're paying the early adopter price. And number 1, Meta Ray-Ban, the pair that actually nails it. Got the camera, the AI assistant, the display, and it looks genuinely good. And it's backed by a company big enough to keep making it better every single month. For most people, this is the pair that makes you reach your phone less and less. So one day you realize you barely reach for it at all. This is the one I'll tell my own family to buy. So that's my top 5. So which one would you actually wear? Drop a number in the comments. Of course, I'm a small channel. I read them all. And if you want the full breakdown on any of the smart glasses, I've got a video on exactly that right here. I'll see you in the next one.